everyone! If you're looking to make money from the comfort of your own home, you've clicked on the right video. I'm here to share some incredible ways to turn your home into a money-making sanctuary. So let's dive right in. First up, freelancing. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or web developer, there's a freelance job out there for you. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer are great places to start. You set your own hours, pick projects that interest you, and most importantly, work from anywhere, even in your pajamas. Next, consider selling products online. From handmade crafts to vintage finds, platforms like Etsy and eBay make it easy to set up shop. The key here is finding a niche market or something you're passionate about. This isn't just about making sales, but connecting with customers who share your interests. Now let's talk about online tutoring. With platforms like VIPKid or Tutor.com, you can help students from around the world in subjects you know well. It's flexible, rewarding, and pays pretty well too. Plus, you're making a real difference helping others learn and grow. And don't forget about content creation. Ever thought about starting a YouTube channel or a blog? Whether it's cooking, tech, fitness, or even daily vlogs, creating content that helps or entertains people can eventually lead to some serious income through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Lastly, why not try your hand at affiliate marketing? By promoting products or services on your blog, social media, or website, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral link. It's all about choosing the right products to promote that align with your content and resonate with your audience. Remember, making money online from home isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It takes time, effort, and a bit of creativity, but the flexibility and potential earnings can be absolutely worth it. Start small, keep learning, and who knows, your home office could turn into your dream job. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips on making money from home. See you in the next one.